or AI presentation maker to create Instagram carousels, digital planners, or resume templates. Then, sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, or offer social media content packages on Upwork. It's a $1 billion niche, and you don't need design skills to get started. Third, Leonardo AI and Midjourney are changing the game for creators. You can generate ultra-realistic artwork, book covers, t-shirt designs, or even sell custom AI avatars. Upload your designs to Redbubble, Etsy, or use them in freelance gigs. With the right prompts, you can generate hundreds of dollars in passive income. Short-form content is king, and Opus Clip and Pictory make it insanely easy to create viral reels, TikToks, and YouTube shorts. Repurpose long videos into multiple shorts, or offer clip cutting as a freelance service. You can charge $10 to $30 per video edit, and the AI does the heavy lifting. And finally, Notion AI isn't just for note-taking. It's a powerhouse for building digital products, productivity templates, or even mini online courses. Bundle up your templates or systems and list them on Gumroad, Etsy, or Ko-fi. Combine it with ChatGPT for content, and you've got a $100 day side hustle just sitting on your laptop.